Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Hashcat on Windows Server 2022. But the process is same on all Windows servers. First go to Hashcat official website hashcat.net, then /Hashcat. First we will download, then we will configure it. Hit enter. See here, Hashcat is the most advanced password recovery tool. Okay, and see here the version 6.2.6. It is the latest one. If you want to download, you have to click on download. Otherwise, if you want older versions, go to the bottom. See here, we have the older version binaries. Okay, so click on download. See, download has been started. It's only 20 megabytes. See, this is zip file. So we must have the WinRAR or 7-zip or any other software extract these files. So download WinRAR or 7G. Okay, so I'm going to download WinRAR. Download in Google, search for download WinRAR. Click on download WinRAR. Here we have the English version. So click on WinRAR 7.0.1 English 64-bit. Click on it. See, download started. The size is only 3.8. Download is completed. First open. Now go to downloads directory. Click on this open. See here we have the WinRAR and Hashcat downloaded zip file. If you have installed WinRAR, no need to do this one. So you can directly extract this one. I don't have, so I am installing it. Click on next. Click on install. That's it. Okay, click on OK. Done. See, the icons also has been changed. Now we have to extract this file. Right click and select the extract to this file. See, it has created a directory, successfully extracted. Go to this directory. There, see here we have one more directory. Okay, so let me cut it. Right click, cut, paste this directory or folders in a directory where you have the enough space or as per requirement. Paste it. Now go to this directory, then give CMD. Hit enter. See, we got that folder directly. Or open CMD, then go to that path, copy this one, go to CMD again, go to CMD, CD, paste it. See, both are in same count. Okay. Now if you want to perform benchmark for this current system, just give hashcat-b. Okay. If you want to see the comments and other things, just go to wiki. There you can find the information. And if you want to find the help for this Hashcat, just give hashcat.exe, then -h. Wait, it is going to populate help information for this Hashcat application. See, it has populated all the information. Also, see here, it has provided the pages. Okay, see, we have different options. See, we have the options, and see here uses Hashcat, then you have to give these options. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and configure Hashcat on Windows Server 2022. For more cybersecurity tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.